Welcome to our channel One to Step. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix a problem of Geeni app's problem where it says camera not connected to Wi-Fi. So if you're also facing the problem, then follow the steps in order to fix it. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First thing, it could be a bug caused by this app. So what you can do is just close the app, reopen it again. If it still doesn't work, just restart your phone, like, switch it off, turn it on again. It should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then there could be a new update on Geeni app which you have not yet updated, and that's causing the problem. For that, just go on Play Store, and inside of Play Store at the top where it says search, what you want to do is click on the search bar over here and search for Geeni, Geeni, and search for it. Now in my case, it's going to show you open, which means it's up to date. But if it says update, then that means I need to update it. So it says open, which means my app is up to date. So it's not the lack of update which is causing this problem. So make sure to check if there's an update. Now even after updating your Geeni app, if it's still not fixed, what you can do is hold on your Geeni app and you can see these options on your phone. Now what you can do is go on app info, and inside your app info, what you want to do is go inside where it says storage and click on clear cache, and it should be fixed. And even after clearing the cache, if it's still not fixed, then clear the data, click on OK. Once you do that, now you have to re-log in into your Geeni account. Alright, open your Geeni account, re-log in into your account, and it should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then just delete the Geeni app and re-download it again. Doing this should probably fix the problem. So these are the way on how you guys can fix Geeni app's problem where it says camera not connected to Wi-Fi. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One Step, and make sure to check your internet as well. Sometimes slow internet causes this problem as well. Alright.